back to my habitat. You might have seen me fixing up the rack behind me and cleaning it, organizing it, making it functional, and I love it. But I have another problem. There's some in here as well. I have a growing seed collection that desperately needs to be organized. Originally, I was going to do this elaborate wood structure on one of my walls, possibly right here, and have all my seeds organized on the wall. The reason why I don't like that is because a chunk of the year, I'm not doing any seeds. I mean, they're out in the garden, working on the plants I already have and making sure those are all healthy. So seeds are forgotten about. And then the other portion is winter where I'm not growing that much. So I don't necessarily want a large thing on my wall collecting dust. So I went to the internet and I found some ideas. Behold, the future of seeds. I was looking for a photo album, but photo albums are quite expensive, and there's also not that many pages in the photo albums. But they are very pretty. But I need space, I need pages and pages of a photo-like book. Which brings me to my very own creation of me taking a bunch of page protectors, very, very simple, one opening at the top, just like so, because these are also really, really cheap. I got 10 for $1. And what I do is cut halfway in the middle on one side of the paper. I made a little template so I didn't actually go all the way through. And then I just hot glued the top, so I had 2 levels to put seeds. So each page I can do 2 different types of seed varieties. So whenever I open this up, you can see that the top, I have 1, and then there's a hot glue line there so they can't go down. And then down here, I have another pocket to put more seeds. I'm honestly so excited to start organizing everything so I can actually see what I have. Also, get rid of my double seeds or anything that's really, really old. Because I have a few packs that I think are like 10 years old that people have given me because they know I like to garden. And they're like, hey, here's some old seeds that I found in my closet. And I think I've been hoarding them a little too long. And just go through and realize what I have. Because I don't know if you guys are like me at all. And you guys go to the store and you see those rows of seeds and you just start buying. Not a good habit. Because you end up with doubles, triples sometimes. Triples, a lot of times actually. Well, especially when it comes to herbs. Anyways, let's get to organizing all these seeds. If you asked me, I would have said, I don't have that many flower seeds. No, it's my biggest pile. It's my biggest pile is definitely flower seeds. I'm trying to think about how to actually organize these in the book. I've kind of grouped together things that go together, like root vegetables I kind of have together. I have cold season crops, so those are things that I go to in spring to sow even before last frost. All different types of peas, beans, all right here. Eggplants, tomatoes. I thought I had a lot more different varieties of tomatoes. I do have a lot, but not as much as I thought. And I also have quite a few squash. Winter and summer, I kind of push them together. Now I just need to get the book and start putting these in.
So going through all your seeds, did you forget about any of them?
Yeah, a lot. I have two actually over in the miscellaneous pile. Both are types of berries. I think I'm gonna plant them this year. I don't know where, but it looks like they're both sort of vine-esque or tomato bush-esque type of plants that produce dark berries. So I am going to try those out this year. I'm very excited because I have no idea what to expect from them. So the clendules, I'm just kind of working on my flowers right now.
Well,
Going through, making sure they all are together.
so I should probably let you be and, put the time lapse back on.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, it's all finished. What I've learned is I need a bigger binder. I think I should maybe get one or two more binders. Because, I mean, this was only, what, $2? Yeah, $2. Altogether, I think we spent $10? Less than $10. So, and now all my seeds are organized. And I can flip them. I put kind of separating them into categories. So I have beans, first grouping, summer vegetables, which are my cucumbers, eggplant, tomatoes, and peppers. What else would I put in there? Melons, yeah, and melons. Then I have a squash category, which is all my squash. Flowers, probably one of the biggest groupings in the binder. That and then the summer vegetables. But the summer vegetables are a ton of different things. Well, I guess the flowers are a ton of different things, but I just view them because they're only for one purpose, for bouquets or to bring the pollinators. Root vegetables, I thought I would have had a lot more here, but I mean, they compacted it pretty nicely. And then cold crops, then herbs and miscellaneous. I decided to put the herbs in with the miscellaneous just because some things are considered an herb, some things aren't, there's a little bit of a gray zone there. I'm just so happy. This is helping me so much. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay organizing.